Hello guys, today we have the San Diego Comic-Con Hammond Collection Jurassic Park 3 Velociraptor. The details on this box look amazing, it's well done. Here's a comparison with the Hammond Collection Velociraptors. Overall, this exclusive was alright. They could have done something way bigger or more special, but it was still a good add-on to the Hammond collection. This Velociraptor was unique and very detailed, and if you were lucky enough to get one, what do you think about it? See you guys on the next one. I placed the Velociraptor in some poses. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next unboxing, guys.